that the kids will get from this project will be tremendous, and also the community giving. The cereal will be donated back to the community eventually, so helps on a lot of fronts there.
Makes me feel great. They're excited about it, and they're doing a really good thing for the community by filling the food pantries and teaching these kids how to give back. And we at RE/MAX need to give back to our community, so we believe in this very strongly.
Thank you, RE/MAX!
Wave, everybody! Good job.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. That was awesome. One, two, three.
Thank you, RE/MAX!
Wave, everybody. Good job.